OTT is also a very big thing
Yeah.
worldwide.
Yeah.
Like that, cinema going to cinema is a part of life. सदी के महानायक आपको फोन करके बोलते हैं कि आनंद भाई मुझे ये फिल्म बनानी है और आप प्रोड्यूस करो. Nothing could be better than that.
Yeah.
दोनों अपनी अपनी जगह माहिर है. सीनियर बच्चन साहब का तो कोई मुकाबला हो ही नहीं सकता है. आज भी नहीं है और शायद कल भी नहीं होगा.
Today with us, we have ace film producer, distributor, real estate developer, and philanthropist, Mr. Anand Pandit. In April, he had a release on OTT with Abhishek Bachchan's The Big Bull. And around the same time, he had to push the theatrical release of his next Chehre with Amitabh Bachchan and Imran Hashmi due to the rising COVID cases. And today, we talk about that and some more. So first of all, sir, welcome to Spot Boy. Congratulations on the success of The Big Bull. And so it was your first film on OTT. So how was that experience with that medium like for you?
First of all, thank you very much for having me. Uh, we had a fantastic experience of OTT actually. OTT is emerging very strong after the pandemic. And I would say that it has become a new lifestyle for people and a new emergence of business for all the entertainment producers. So I think it was a good experience, and we understood how exactly OTT works, their content, their marketing, their strategy, everything we learned during this release. So we had a very good experience.
Okay. And so, like now, since OTT is booming and it has become like one-stop platform for everyone since theaters are shut down, films are coming on OTT. So has it kind of shifted the scales in the platform's favor, like in the kind of deals that they are giving producers now?
I think it's a very temporary phase. Of course, we are right now on the crossroad of two different platforms. One is OTT, another it would be always a proven platform called theaters. So theater would be an experience for everybody, and I don't think it will fade away in any case. But emergence of OTT is also a very big thing worldwide, and uh, I think we'll be now deciding before making any project or any film whether we are making for OTT or whether we are making for theater experience. And depending on what route we want to take, we'll have story, we'll have budget, we will have casting, we will have those kind of filmization.
Yeah.
So I think clear cut two separate streams will start.
Okay. And talking about the theater business, like last year, when things were going to resume, there were talks. Like you were also one of those producers who offered their films, some old films, for free screening, so that people can come back to theaters. But अब जैसे 2 साल हो चुके हैं, it has been a long time, मतलब almost crossing the 1 year mark. So how do you think will difficult it be for the future of theater business to kind of revive now?
I think personally, I mean, my understanding is most important is the well-being of people.
True.
Entertainment and film comes maybe the last priority. Of course, when you are sitting at home doing nothing, only entertainment can save you. You know.
Yeah.
So both the ways, I think we will have to balance it. But depending on pandemic, I am very confident that after vaccination drive all over the world and new emergence of new technique to combat it, the pandemic. Also, our hospitals, doctors, frontline workers are now more equipped and more knowledgeable how to face it.
Yeah.
So I think, and also people have got the confidence now that if someone is sick with corona or COVID, how to deal with that. So I think slowly life will be normal, and there will be a new normal that we will have to live with this.
Yeah.
And as we see in a lot of other countries, cinemas has already opened.
Yeah.
Pubs, bars, restaurants, everything is open. So slowly in India also, I think within 2 or 3 months, even cinema will be open. And again, people will be going and ये you know what we say in Hindi is smashan vairagya. So when something bad happens, we always think 100% bad.
Yeah.
So I'm very optimistic that
Hmm.
within 3 months, and it's a testing time. We
Yeah.
should not send negative signal to universe.
Hmm.
Let's send positive signal
Yeah.
that yeah, everything will be normal.
Yeah. Like you said, अभी जैसे बाहर की फिल्मों में हो रहा है, अभी जैसे The Quiet Place 2 released and it got like a bumper opening compared to all pre-pandemic releases. So that kind of gives you a hope, like okay, the business is gonna be surviving on its own well.
No, I'm not looking at those sporadic business. I'm
Hmm.
looking at a lifestyle. You know, जैसे आपको रेस्टोरेंट में जाना, पब में जाना, ट्रैवल करना,
Hmm.
ये सब this is a part of our life now.
Yeah.
Like that, cinema going to cinema is a part of life.
Hmm.
आज से नहीं है. It's since like 100 years से ये cinema going और entertainment के लिए जाना, that is being part of life. So
Hmm.
I don't think people can go away with their lifestyle. So I have no issue.
Okay.
People will definitely go and
Hmm.
they will have this wonderful experience of theaters.
Yeah. And speaking of COVID, like you have joined hands with Amitabh sir and Ajay sir. You are arranging for a new center. So how has that work of COVID relief been going for you?
See, I mean, since I'm in real estate business,
Mhm.
I understand ground reality
Yeah.
and what is happening.
Mhm.
And film industry is always supportive as and when there is a requirement.
Mhm.
And I think this is the only industry which understands that how to give back to the society.
Mhm.
So everyone is active in their own way. So Ajay Devgan and me, we tied up together and started one 20-seater ICU hospital, which is in Dadar, with the help
Yeah.
of a local BMC.
Mhm.
And we tied up with Hinduja Hospital.
Mhm.
And that ICU was very helpful when the complete peak was there.
Yeah.
Fortunately, there are very less patients
Yeah.
today, and I'm thankful to God for that.
Yeah.
And after that, with Amitabh sir, as
Mhm.
you know, he's always in front line whenever this kind of calamity is there. So he called me, "Ki Anandji, we all live in Juhu. Why not to start some care center in Juhu?"
Mhm.
So we converted one of the schools, Ritambara School in Juhu,
Mhm.
and started this one COVID center with 25 bed. And fortunately, there are very less patients there.
Mhm.
So the trend is now things are, I think, under control.
Yeah. Better. So speaking of Amitabh sir, like the trailer of Chehre and the poster kind of created a lot of intrigue, curiosity in people. So how has Chehre turned out as a product for you as a producer?
Chehre, I mean, a very special movie for me, you know, out of
Hmm.
my complete slate, because it's a beautiful narrative story,
Hmm.
and people will connect with that fictitious story, of course.
Mhm.
And Mr. Bachchan wanted to make this film since many years, so it is very near to his heart also.
Okay.
And one day he called me that Anandji, I want you to produce this film, and I
Mhm.
want to make this film.
Hmm.
So I mean, it was like dream come true when सदी के महानायक आपको फोन करके बोलते हैं कि आनंद भाई मुझे ये फिल्म बनानी है और आप प्रोड्यूस करो. Nothing could be better than that.
Yeah.
So हमने ये फिल्म बहुत ही अच्छे से बनाई है, and it will be a beautiful experience for people,
Hmm.
and it's completely a different type of entertainment.
Yeah.
And आपको एक पुरानी इंग्लिश फिल्म जैसी इसमें एक झलक दिखेगी.
Okay. Okay.
और सब कलाकार इसमें जो भी है, बच्चन साहब और इमरान तो है ही है,
Hmm.
उसके अलावा अनु कपूर जी है,
Hmm.
और धीतिमान चटर्जी सर है,
Hmm.
रघुवीर यादव सर है,
Hmm.
और रिया चक्रवर्ती है, सिद्धांत है. सबने बहुत अच्छा काम किया है. और हमारे डायरेक्टर रूमी जाफरी, ही हैज डन फैंटास्टिक जॉब इन दिस.
Okay. So like you have been adamant like you want to release this film in theater. But after your good experience with Big Bull, have you kind of given a thought maybe to go the OTT way, things kind of not fall into place like in the next few months?
Um, मेरे ख्याल से 2-3 महीने में सब ठीक हो जाना चाहिए एंड वी आर वेरी कॉन्फिडेंट कि
Hmm.
लोग थिएटर में वापस जाएंगे
Okay.
और वी आर लिटिल बिट एज यू यूज द वर्ड एडमेंट यस वी आर लिटिल बिट
Hmm.
एडमेंट
Hmm.
एंड कॉन्फिडेंट कि लोगों को ये थिएटर में बहुत पसंद आएगी
Yeah.
और ये फिल्म का पर्टिकुलरली थिएटर एक्सपीरियंस विल बी मच बेटर सो
Yeah.
हम अभी भी पकड़ के बैठे हैं
Yeah.
and I'm sure within 2-3 months we will be releasing this film.
True. And आपने बिल्कुल सही कहा मतलब द फिल्म का जो ऑरा है दैट इज काइंड ऑफ समथिंग यू कैन एक्सपीरियंस इन दैट डार्क रूम विद पीपल लाइक दैट इज समथिंग डिफरेंट एक्सपीरियंस सो लाइक मेनी पीपल थिंक कि एक फिल्म बन चुकी है सो उसको रोके रखना इट डजंट एड अप मच कॉस्ट बट एज अ प्रोड्यूसर यू नो हाउ डिफिकल्ट इट गेट्स टू कीप holding on to a completed project. So can you explain that for a layman, like how difficult does it get as a producer for you financially to hold on to a project that has already been
Yeah,
complete?
yeah, you correctly said. Generally, producers are leveraged and they take loans from here and there,
Hmm.
and those loans are very heavy
Hmm.
to sustain.
Yeah.
So, majority producers को ये problem होता है, but fortunately मेरा internal accruals है, तो मेरे पास में ऐसा कोई interest burden है नहीं.
Hmm.
So as far as financial cost is concerned, there is not a much concern about holding this film.
Okay.
बट ये हमारे हिंदी में एक कहावत है कि सांप का भारा जब फिल्म बन जाती है कंप्लीट हो जाती है तो इट बिकम्स लाइक ए सांप का भारा उसको संभालना बहुत मुश्किल होता है सो यस ऑन दैट फ्रंट यस इट इज लिटिल डिफिकल्ट टू यू नो होल्ड ऑन द
ओके ओके एंड लाइक अब जैसे एक साल से ऑलमोस्ट ऊपर हो चुका है देयर इट गेट्स डिफिकल्ट फॉर अदर प्रोड्यूसर नॉट जस्ट यू एज वेल सो टू लाइक कीप ऑन वर्किंग ऑन थिंग्स दैट आर काइंड ऑफ स्टक so ऐसे में what is the kind of support that you are looking out from the government or the film bodies and how much have you gotten and not gotten out of it?
No, honestly, देखो government तो nothing government can do exactly. I mean,
Hmm.
their priority has to be people and well-being of people, and I respect that.
Hmm.
So I don't expect anything very special from them.
Hmm.
Even for film bodies, film body cannot help it. ये इतना बड़ा pandemic आया है कि
Yeah.
इसमें कोई कुछ नहीं कर सकता है.
Hmm.
So I think let it naturally die down,
Hmm.
and we should not haste for releasing the film. क्योंकि रिलीज करेंगे अभी आज के टाइम में समझो गवर्नमेंट को प्रेशर करके गवर्नमेंट को अलाउ भी करे थिएटर में और लोगों को अगर ये इफेक्ट होती है कोविड की तो यू विल नॉट फील कंफर्टेबल अबाउट लिविंग विद योर लाइफ विद दैट यू नो सो आई थिंक इट्स बेटर कि थोड़ा सा कॉन्फिडेंस आ जाए लोगों को थोड़ा सा ये डाई डाउन हो जाए उसके बाद में ही रिलीज करे आई थिंक दैट इज बेटर
Okay. So like now with Big Bull and Cherry, you have worked with both the Bachchans. So how was that experience like and what's the kind of similarity you saw between Abhishek and Amitabh sir?
दोनों अपनी अपनी जगह माहिर है सीनियर बच्चन साहब का तो कोई मुकाबला हो ही नहीं सकता है आज भी नहीं है और शायद कल भी नहीं होगा और मैं उनका इतना बड़ा फैन हूँ तो मेरे लिए उनके बारे में कुछ बोलना भी वो भी जस्टिफाइड नहीं है बट ये सिमिलरिटी की बात की तो दोनों बहुत ही प्रोफेशनल है अपने टाइम पे एग्जैक्टली काम करते हैं और वैल्यू एडिशन करते हैं बट दे डोंट स्टिक टू दैट सजेशंस whatever is director's call that is generally always final और ये या और एब्सोल्युटली जब सेट पे होते हैं तो एब्सोल्युटली प्रोफेशनल बिहेवियर होता है और जल्दी से जल्दी अपना काम खत्म करने का उनको ये जल्दी रहती है सो आई थिंक दे आर बोथ ग्रेट एक्टर्स एंड आई एम फॉर्चुनेट कि एक ही टाइम पे दोनों से अलग अलग फिल्म में मैं प्रोड्यूसर रहा हूँ और काम कर सका
And last year around this same time you had like announced like you have had logged on to 2 suspense thriller script and you were looking for fresh cast new faces for it so has there been any development on that
हाँ अभी क्या है as I said to you you know like we are on the crossroads of entertainment, whether
Yeah.
OTT or film theater.
Hmm.
So we are holding some of the projects. ये दो
Okay.
तीन महीने में will come out with the new policy of our company
Hmm.
कि OTT के लिए बनाना है तो कैसे बनाना है, क्या बनाना है, एंड थ्रिलर समझो जैसे आपने बताया, तो शायद हो सकता है कि हम न्यू फेसेस के साथ में दूसरी कोई फिल्में बनाए
Okay.
और वो डायरेक्ट OTT पे डाले,
Hmm.
और जो एस्टेब्लिश जिनका फैन फॉलोइंग है उसके लिए थिएटर का के लिए हम फिल्म बनाए.
Okay.
That is what we are thinking. But everything is on hold for another 2 months.
Hmm. And like last year, due to COVID, you also got a chance to get that idea of exploring the hinterlands for your next shoot locations. Like you spoke about Latur in Maharashtra or Sikkim, Kerala. So had you kind of went through these places and figured out maybe there's something
Un-
you want to?
अनफॉर्चुनेटली क्या हुआ कि जहां पर भी हमने सोचा कि यहाँ पर कोविड नहीं है और वहां पर हम नए शूट करेंगे,
Hmm.
अनफॉर्चुनेटली ये वेव में वहां पर भी आ गया.
Yeah.
So we thought that even traveling is was also very restrictive.
Hmm.
तो then we thought कि let us take it easy,
Hmm.
और जब सब खुल जाए और उसके बाद में फुल थ्रॉटल अपना शूटिंग चालू करेंगे.
Okay. Okay. And the next production is like Thank God, and it's a big film with Ajay Sir, Siddharth, and Rakul. So, what can you tell us about that film? Like, we know that its first schedule was shot in January. Then the next schedule was about to begin, but it kind of got delayed due to COVID. What can you tell us about the film and the schedule that is going to happen?
अभी तो आई मीन एज यू नो अभी सब घर पे बैठ के इंतजार कर रहे हैं कि कब ये डाई डाउन हो जाए.
Hmm.
So I don't think anything is formed up on
Hmm.
that part, and I think we should not venture that till the time
Hmm.
सब वैक्सीनेटेड हो जाए, थोड़ा सा कॉन्फिडेंस आ जाए, गवर्नमेंट भी शूटिंग की परमिशन दे दे,
Hmm.
और ये सब होने के बाद में ही हम कुछ भी बोल पाएंगे इसके लिए.
Okay. And like you had said in an interview, I saw that Thank God is not a comedy film. You won't classify it as a comedy film. So, what is that film like?
It's a slice of life. That is what we say. जैसे
Okay.
राजकुमार हिरानी की फिल्म को हम कॉमेडी फिल्म नहीं बोल सकते,
Yeah.
बट इट्स अ ह्यूमरस फिल्म, बट इट्स विद ब्यूटीफुल मैसेज. सो एग्जैक्टली वो टाइप की जोन की फिल्म है कि ये हिलेरियस फिल्म है एंड विद अ ब्यूटीफुल मैसेज.
Okay, okay. And like with Ajay sir, you have had like a very old kind of relation from Total Dhamal. You worked with him in that. Then in Big Bull as a producer. Now again as an actor in Thank God. So how has this association been with him? And how is he different as a producer and an actor?
We all know Ajay is absolutely thorough professional,
Hmm.
और he is very warm hearted.
Yeah.
तो अजय जब भी कुछ भी मुझे ऑफर करते हैं, या तो मैं उनसे कोई रिक्वेस्ट करता हूँ, कभी भी ना नहीं बोलते हैं.
Hmm.
सो इट्स लाइक ए फैमिली रिलेशन विद हिम. बट हमारा प्रोफेशनल रिलेशनशिप भी बहुत अच्छा है, एंड फैंटास्टिक अंडरस्टैंडिंग है, वेदर एक्टर के रूप में हो या तो को प्रोड्यूसर के रूप में हो,
Yeah.
या तो उसके अलावा कोई रियल एस्टेट का भी कुछ काम हो, तो
Hmm.
ऑलवेज वी आर टुगेदर.
Okay, okay. Like you have been a producer who has backed his artists through thick and thin, especially with Ria when she went through everything. You backed her that she will be a part of the film. So whenever Chehre now releases, will she be a part of the promotional activities and the campaign?
एज फार एज प्रमोशन इज कंसर्न, ये हमारी टीम डिसाइड करेगी कि किसकी जरूरत है हमको.
Okay.
क्योंकि मुझे नहीं लगता है कि जब मिस्टर बच्चन एंड इमरान हाशमी हो तो बाकी लोगों को प्रमोशन में जरूरत हो.
Mhm.
And I don't want to use her whatever situation
Yeah.
into my commercial benefit at this
Mhm.
point of time. If she is comfortable, yes,
Yeah.
we'll give her some part for
Mhm.
promotion. And if she is not comfortable, it's okay.
Okay. Okay. So is there any other film that you are working on currently other than Thank God and Chehre?
Yeah, we are working on 6-7 films, but right now, as I said, सब फिर से we are fine tuning its budget, its casting, depending on where we are, we'll be releasing those films.
Okay.
So maybe after 2 months, everything will be done, and then we'll let you know.
Okay. Anand sir, it has been a pleasure talking to you, and it was very informative as well for me. And can't wait to see Chehre in theaters because, as I told you, like it has that aura that only can be experienced in that dark room with people around. So, thank you so much, and all the best to you for all your future endeavors. And hope to talk to you again and next time in person, hopefully. So, thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you so much for having me. Thank you.
Thank you so much.